How to add someone on Snapchat without them knowing you searched them. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the Snapchat application on your device. You will be led to the camera. Now go to the chats and you will see a search bar there. Tap on that and now search for the username you want to add. I will just make a random search here. Tap on their username and you will see three dots on the top right of your screen. Now tap on the Send Profile To option and now under Share Elsewhere, tap on Copy. Open Chrome on your device now and tap on the three dots on the bottom of your screen. You will see the option for New Incognito tab. Tap on that and now in the search bar paste the URL we copied earlier. The individual's profile will appear. Chrome wants to open Snapchat pop-up will appear. Tap on Open and now tap on the Add button, and if you have followed every step from the beginning, the individual you are trying to add will not know that you searched for them. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.